Are you still balancing your laptop on a stack of old books? It's time for an update. Having the correct laptop stand might make life easier, so you can avoid craning your neck while working. The finest stands bring your laptop's screen closer to eye level, which is preferable for keeping a good posture. Some can even fit into a bag for simple transport or a transition from sitting to standing. These are some of the best laptop stand for your every needs. Let's get right into it. At first, we have a cheap stand for your monitor or laptop called Superjare Dual Monitor Stand Riser. It's constructed of particle board, but it's sturdy enough to support your monitor and laptop and withstand being placed in a closet and then dragged out. It's a wonderful change from the industrial-looking metal supports, and it's also quite reasonable. There are 3 sections. 1 main component and 2 adjustable sides, which may be collapsed into the middle or removed altogether. What is the best part? There is space beneath to store notebooks, a keyboard, and other items that tend to clutter your desk. This is not a good solution if you want to work while standing up. Plus, it's difficult to transport from room to room. However, if you plan on spending the most of your time at a desk, it will suffice. Next, we have lap desk called Yogibo Traybo 2.0. Yogibo's lap desk features a mushy cushion bottom that feels good against your legs. Not unexpected, given the company's reputation for pillows and beanbags, as well as a bamboo top. Most importantly, the entire tray remains still as you type since there are no legs to shake. There is also a space to hold a tablet or phone when viewing movies or video chatting. When you're finished working, you may put down the computer and utilize the lap desk to sketch or write comfortably. Then we have the best stands for iPads from 12 South, called the ParcSlope. It's a simple stand that elevates your tablet by 18 degrees. If you're using a laptop, it angles it into a somewhat more comfortable typing position, but this stand is more suited for drawing or working on an iPad. It maintains it just inclined enough to allow for comfortable touchscreen use. Next, we have a portable stand for external keyboard users, also a product of 12 South called the Curve Flex laptop stand. It can be pushed down or stood up to 22 inches high, allowing you to tailor it to your specific arrangement. It's also quite tiny and portable, so if you need a stand that can fit in your backpack, this one will do. And we have the most portable stand, the Rain Design mBar Pro Plus. Despite being composed of thin metal, this basic Rain Design stand is durable. Type away without fear of it buckling, then move it from your workplace to your living room or a coffee shop. It's a predetermined height that raises a laptop around 5 inches at an angle. It folds up to 9.5 by 6 inches, making it suitable for any bag that would also hold a laptop. It also weighs less than 1 pound. When put horizontally, the mBar Pro Plus can handle iPads up to 9.7 inches and larger. Then we have a stand like a portable office from Logitech called the Casa pop-up desk. Logitech has perfected the mobile office environment. When closed, the Casa pop-up desk is roughly the size of a compact textbook, making it easy to store in a laptop backpack or tote bag. Open it, remove the Bluetooth keyboard and trackpad, and set up the case as a stand. A portable workstation. The accessories are rather conventional, but they work well for working from a coffee shop or even at home if you don't want to spend money on a full desk setup. Next is a take your desk to go type of stand called Victor High-Rise Mobile, which is an adjustable standing desk with a keyboard tray. Victor's mobile standing desk can act as your primary office, or you could place it in front of the sofa or next to your full-size desk as a laptop stand. It costs the same as many larger workstations, but with mobility and a tiny footprint. You can effortlessly elevate it to a standing position at 44 inches. Unlike other portable workstations, this one has a keyboard tray. Then we have a multi-height portable stand called the Moft Z 5-in-1 Sit Stand Desk. It can be readily adjusted to 5 different positions. You can stand comfortably for a short period of time at its highest height of 10 inches. If you spend the most of your day standing, choose this stand or a standing desk. The nicest part about this one is that it is lightweight and folds down to about ½ an inch thick, allowing you to take it any place without adding much thickness. And lastly, what I think is the coolest stand is the Lention C95 docking station. Apple just brought back ports, But if you're seeking for a cheaper option, the Lention 11-in-1 docking station is it. It solves the irritating lack of ports. It keeps everything plugged in and tucked behind your laptop rather than dangling over the side. It isn't much of a stand, but it provides a tiny elevation, which is preferable to nothing. You may also use it alongside another laptop stand. This dock has HDMI, VGA, and DisplayPort connectors, SD and microSD card readers, one USB-C port, two USB 3.0 ports, and one USB 2.0 port, Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio port. And there you have it, a list for the best laptop stands on the market for desk spaces and for home use. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more latest innovation tech finds here on our channel, and make sure to also watch the latest video up here to see the coolest bathroom accessories on Amazon. And check the description down below if you want to purchase one of these laptop stands.